Hi, my name is William Herman. I'm the nephew of Rudy Herman. We're here today to celebrate his life and his legacy. Um, Uncle Rudy was a very important part of my life growing up. He taught me a lot of wisdom, and he also taught me how to play Pokemon chess, which are hobbies that I still like to today. Without him, I'm not sure where I would be at. I've made a lot of friends over the years playing chess and Pokemon, and I'm not sure where I'd be at without him. And not only that, but I also appreciate the wisdom that he's given me over the years, especially the wisdom he's given me about growing up, which was definitely great wisdom to have. And even now, when I make decisions, I like to think about the things that he has taught me. Not only that, but he also inspired me to join the Air Force whenever I graduate college, and just a lot of the things that he's done. He's definitely given me wisdom to want to replicate as well. Uncle Rudy dedicated his life to the service of us, of the society, a family. Every time someone was in need, he always came in to help, and he never second guessed or questioned. And without any sort of hesitation, he always helped, whether it be um, our family, whether it be a close family friend or even a stranger. He was always there to help, and he was an intricate part of the community, and he was definitely a pillar of the community. I know many times when we were on vacation with Uncle Rudy, he would always there was always somebody that was needed in need of help, whether it be someone in the family or a stranger. He always lent out to help, especially on vacations to strangers. He always wanted to make sure that everyone around him was happy, whether it be someone he knows or doesn't know. And that's something that we don't really see much anymore. So I'm very glad to have met someone that's like that, and I hope to grow upon that and be like that myself as I grow older. We're all sad to see Uncle Rudy's passing. Not only was he an intricate part of our community, but he lived his life in service, whether it be the service of the Air Force or the service of the community, always making sure somebody was helped and was happy. And he would go out of his way to help strangers and even family members out without any sort of hesitation. Um, and he dedicated his life to service. For everyone that's gotten to meet Uncle Rudy, everyone can agree that his memory will be an honor, and he'll be sadly missed. With that being said, for everyone that's ever gotten to meet him and he's gotten to be a part of their life, we'll express nothing but gratitude and gratefulness that they've gotten to meet someone such as Uncle Rudy. What we can all do now is do the best that we can to help spread happiness and gratefulness to everyone in our community and our family, and to keep Uncle Rudy's memory living on, and to try to pass on the wisdom that he's given us and try to make the world a better place. As Uncle Rudy always used to say, that the world can't change one day at a time, but it can change one person at a time. And I hope that with his passing, everyone can begin to spread the positivity and the gratefulness that he did when he was alive. And we're all grateful for the memories that he's given us. And we'll try to pass on his wisdom the best that we can. With that, I'd like to conclude my speech.